This is the question from Sbonga Diara. Thank you for your question. So this is a trigonometry question. So here, Sbonga just want to know, help her to answer these questions. So yeah, so let's do that. Let's read the question. So we have a point T. So if T, maybe let me write that. So if point T and T has -1 and 2, so this distance from here to here is -2, distance from here to here is -1, and A is a point on x-axis such that AOT is alpha. Okay, we see alpha, then find tan alpha. So easy peasy. 5.1.1 tan alpha, we know alpha is opposite over adjacent, that we know. So what is opposite side of theta? So this is, we're looking at this angle alpha, so the opposite side of this angle here is -1, so that -1, and the adjacent side is -2, that -2, so your answer is half. Okay, 5.1.2. now cos alpha is opposite over hypotenuse, so we need to find the hypotenuse side. Let's call it r. So we can use a Pythagoras theorem. Say r squared is equal to -1 squared plus -2 squared. So therefore your r squared is 1 plus 4, which is 5. So therefore your r is square root of 5. So that's your hypotenuse. Therefore cos alpha is opposite, oh my bad, it's not opposite, it's adjacent. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's gonna be adjacent side is -2 over hypotenuse, which is square root 5. So cos alpha is -2 over 5. Okay, now what is cos alpha plus 45 degrees? So this one, we just have to expand our cos 45 plus alpha, which is cos alpha cos 45, right? And then you can say minus sine alpha sine 45 degrees. Okay, and yeah, so what is cos 45? What is cos alpha and is cos 45? I mean, we know, can literally punch this in your calculator and say cos 45, but before you go there, we need to find what is cos alpha, right? Cos alpha, we found out, is -2 over root 5. Okay, then cos 45, we know it's square root of 2 over 2. Can punch this in your calculator, get the answer. And then sine alpha is, so it's opposite of sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so it's -1 over square root of 2. So that's -1 over square root of 5, opposite or adjacent. And then sine 45, can also punch that in your calculator, you get as square root of 2 over 2. And then yeah, from here you can just punch the numbers and get your answer, right? So this would be -2 root 2 plus root 2 over 2 root 2. That's root 5 rather. Yeah, so that's your answer. I mean, you can literally just punch this yourself just to get the final answer in your calculator. That's root 2 over 2 minus -1 over root 5. So I'm punching in my calculator, so you can as well do that. So I'm getting negative 0. Alright, I'm getting negative root 10 over 10. That's what I'm getting. So let me know if you're getting the same answer, and if you don't, comment. If you do, also comment, like, and share this to your friends as well. So this is how you actually will calculate the questions on trigonometry, especially these type of questions. Super easy, super helpful. Take care.